Okay, guys, I made a Nyan cat bling back. Look. It's so cool. And we're unboxing it today. And it's really, really cool. So, yeah. So the blue is a common, the pink is a rare, and the green is a secret. You get 3 packs of one. Smiley face. So, let's get started. Let's cut it. Oh my gosh! Okay, we cut it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna slide. Okay, there's a lot of stuff inside. Like, I put like a bunch of stuff. I go get all my stuff. Oh, that's one. Oh! 3 packs in one. Okay, let's open this one. We got a common. Dang it! Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's cut that. It's Nyan cat! So cute! Okay, that is really soft. Like, look. Okay, put it right there. Okay, we don't need this common bag. Like, oh my gosh. You got rare. You got a secret. Guys, I just finished the secret today. So it's gonna be really cool. Watch. Okay, now let's open this one. Oh my gosh. Wait, I finished this yesterday. Like, oh no! Oh! I just fell with it. I was like, I'm gonna come too. We got tag Nyan. That's super squishy. Buddies. Okay, now let's open the secret one. I wonder what the secret one is. Guys, like the video if you think it's a really, really rare one. This one's hard to get out. It's a secret too, but it's coming out. Wait, this is like Nyan cat. We already got this. I see black. I see black. What is this? What is it? It's a double-sided Nyan cat. Okay, this is the best one out of all of them. So it's like it's this one and this one combined together. Wow, that is really cool. Let's play! Yay! Ow! Ow! Are you okay, Nyan cat? I don't know. I'm feeling sad today. Why? Because the viewers didn't hit the like button. How dare you! You didn't hit the like button? Guys, hit the like button to make Nyan cat feel better. And hit subscribe to make her give extra luck. Hurry up! This is your last chance. Okay, I forgive you guys. Sorry.